do you have yourself branded so you can stand out of the competition is my question back to you. Because here's the thing, if you don't have your profile optimized so that it's attractive to the marketplace, you're not going to get any play. You're not going to get nobody looking at you. Nobody's going to want to talk to you because you don't look attractive. I mean, has anybody been embarrassed looking at their profile lately? Like, you're like, man, I look at Ace and Rich's profile. I need to get my stuff together. When they look at their profile, they're like, this jacked. I need to get Ace to make me a profile cover, and that's important. But that's just the aesthetic part. What about the brand messaging, right? If you really want to build out your outreach, you got to narrow it down to your attraction marketing message. And this is where I talk to a lot of people when I coach them. I talk about, building your brand, having your message also be congruent with your brand, right? Can't sell a steak to a vegetarian,
That's
right?
true.
So you need to make sure that the messaging you put on your wall, on your timeline, we call that the wall, right? Pink Floyd, right? The wall, okay? Zuckerberg don't own it. He tried to buy it, but he didn't sell it to him, right, Rich? So anyway, back to what I was saying. The timeline is where your feed is, and that's where you create a variety of content that is supposed to pique the interest of your prospects. Okay. Now, here's another thing why it can and cannot work. If you're not doing the outreach yourself and reaching out and connecting with new people and building relationships on a daily basis, you're just going to be talking to the same 5 people for the rest of your life that is just friends on your wall.
That's true.
I had this conversation with one of my students who was worried about family members. Said, I don't want my family members to look at me when I'm doing. I don't want them to see they're making all these bad comments about me posting business. Listen. Their opinions do not pay your bills. I tried that. It don't work. Okay. It does not work. So here's what you need to do. You need to learn to segment your family. So that way, when you put a post up there, that is your profile. You can do what the hell you want with it. And you could segment a specific list and say excluding that family member or a list of them, aunts, uncles, whatever, put it all on there. And then when you put a post about your business, whether it be about Home Business Academy, Power Lead System, Legendary Marketer, whatever, you make sure that you don't have your family members to see that post. That means that in their news feed, they won't see your business post. Only the people that are following you that is not on that list will see it. And your family members will be in the dark. They won't know. Okay. And if you have 80% of people on your profile, and I'm going to say this once, that is all friends and family, colleagues, co-workers, and you got a little bit of entrepreneurs on there. Okay. This is where it's important. Keep that as your personal profile and use it for family. Right. But create a new profile specifically for business. That's why you see Ace and Rich successful, because we have multiple profiles between me and Rich. We kept and separated our family from our business because we're going to be posting like every day. It's going to annoy the crap out of them. They're going to be see checks, money, all kinds of stuff, results. They're like, what is all this? We don't get all this. Good. I'm glad you don't get it. You didn't get it then. You don't get it now. Don't worry about it. Keep it separate. Because what that profile is for, so you can get the most maximum outreach, is for your leads and your prospects and your customers.